So I can't play a lot of music. That's about all I'm going to play because I just started the YouTuber, Pro Trader Mike, and the Mojo webinar. First thing is up here is the special. It's all about the challenge. I'm laying out the offer so you all can join at any time. This way, if you have to leave, you know what the deal is and how to become part of the Mojo Day Trade team. So Mojo Day Trading Challenge is what this is all about, because most of the people that are listening to this and around are smaller traders looking to kickstart a career or get started with day trading, make some Benjamins every day. Benjamin's a $100 bill. Make a couple of them, $100, $300, $500. We'll make 10 of them for $1,000. That's pretty much the audience that I'm speaking to tonight. So we're going to do a webinar special. I'm going to offer you the trade simulated for 1 month. Join the Mojo Day Trade room. You're going to get that for 1 month. So that's $99 value. The simulator is $200 to $300. I'm giving it to this webinar special tonight for $100. So $100 for the demo. I'm giving you 1 month of the day trade room. I'm giving you coaching. I'm going to watch you every day and trade. So right there is basically not the end of it. On top of that, I'm going to give you my level 2 training video worth $99. So basically, I'm paying you to join, okay? Right now, you're thinking, Mojo's really paying me to do this? Wow. That Mojo system must really work. And the traders, hold on a second here. Let me just get this going. Hold on one sec. MOJO Webby. BB. Why? Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. Just launched the Periscope as well and starting the Mojo webinar for tonight. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm going over the offer for everybody, giving them the challenge for $100. I need people to trade on a simulator for 30 days. That's 1 month, 20 days in front of me, showing me and proving to themselves, more importantly, that they could trade profitably. If you do that and you join for $100 tonight, just for tonight only, this subscriber offer is only good for tonight only. You get the day trading room for 1 month for free, $99 value. So basically we're even. On top of that, we're not done yet. There's more. You're going to get the Mojo Level 2 educational video, another $49 value added bonus. So right now you're thinking, is Mojo really paying me to do this? Wow, that Mojo system must really work and traders must really make money from Mojo, Pro Trader Mike, to pay me to do this, giving me money out of his pocket, not making anything. That would mean the Mojo, I would be trading with them for a long time. Mojo would make money $99 a month. I'd be there with them forever. Yeah, Mojo's smart. Mojo makes money only if I make money. Very, very smart. Nice. This trading webinar tonight is geared towards the smaller trader, the guy that's wants to make $120,000 a year extra or make $120,000 a year and day trade for a full-time living. Yes. Okay. The first step is proving that you can do it. You're not going on the PGA Tour without going to the mini tour and the web.com, proving to yourself and everybody else that you can do it. You got to qualify. People got to watch you. So step 1, join the day trading challenge with the 50% off special. After joining the challenge, I get the PayPal welcome email. You get your trader seat. Step 3, trade for 1 month. Don't blow up your account and then trade live. The day trading challenge is a 30-day simulated deal. You can day trade stocks in a simulated environment, real-time market data on a platform. You get 6-to-1 leverage, and then after proving yourself trading for 20 days in my Mojo Day Trade room and watching me trade watching you trade and coaching you, you could fund your trading account live if you haven't blown up. Mojo's negotiated special institutional rates for Mojo traders only. Many firms out there nowadays charge a pretty penny for commish. The average firm fees these days for someone looking to day trade is going to run around $7 a trade. That, of course, includes both ways. So the 100 share buy and the 100 share sell, total of $14. Leads you to buy at one price and sell at one price, not the best scenario for scaling into a trade. So besides receiving low commissions, the partner firm that we're going to talk about tonight has a low $2,000 account minimum. You trade firm capital with real buying power 6-to-1. You put in an order. It's going real time into time and sales. It's really hitting the market. No one's trading against you. You're keeping 100% of your profits. You're getting a discounted commission rate per share of 0.055. You get the ECN rebates, and you all get to use the TradeX platform. Other cool benefits are you could trade worldwide. All you need is a computer. You get direct level 2 access with ultra fast execution and low latency, really excellent data, and world-class support with the firms, okay? And that's the offer that's going to be going on tonight, okay? So let's hit the webinar. The webinar tonight, I'm going to show you everything, but a little bit right now is about me. People are commenting on the thing, real nice. I'll check out those comments later. Just keep giving me the love on Periscope. Keep on liking it. One of the things that is I wouldn't say it's my pet peeve, but I really don't like talking just to myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring over the MOJO Day Trade room. Okay. And the webinar for right now. Okay, so how's everybody doing tonight? Welcome, nice to see y'all. So one of my pet peeves is, well, let me just resize the window here, is me talking to myself. So the people that are in here, there is a bunch. When I ask a question, I would appreciate that you respond back and participate in the webinar. I'll make it interactive. We'll have fun. And that's the way we do it. I can't play music because it'll get blocked, but we can do it that way. So everybody, before I start, you should have your coffee. You should have your journal, your notepad ready to go. Everybody, I'm going to do a poll to start this sucker off. So we're going to do our instant poll. Everybody there? And I'm going to do share results. We're going to go yes or no. I just want to like the participation. It's better when you are interactive. You learn more and it's better. So let's start this poll and let's see who's here tonight. One person does not want to be here. Really? You don't? That's fine. 23 people do so far. He made a mistake. Obviously, that one person, he undid that and went to yes. 23 responses. We have way more than that in the room. Come on now, 24. You're going to participate, 25. Let's get the party started, 26. There we go. So I'll stop that. You get an idea, 27. There you go. I want everybody to participate in the polls. I want everyone to participate in the learning. That's how you learn better. There's a big lag, then refresh the room if there's a big lag. Let me do a test. Test 1. How is that coming in, Jack? Okay, everybody? Test good? We're looking good? Smooth? Good. So a little bit about myself. I worked for the man just like everybody else. I know the value of $1, the value of being your own boss, the value of freedom, the value of not taking crap from anybody, the value of making it on your own. The value of knowing every day that, wow, how am I going to wake up and make $1,000? Man, this world's so tough. Everything's so crazy. How am I going to wake up and make $1,000 today? How can I make $500 today? It's so damn tough. I got to figure out a system. I used to say that all the time. How the hell am I going to make $1,000 a day, man? I need to. It's what I need to. I want to live comfortably. Day trading, I can make that and bam, bam, an hour, what I used to do in a week, okay? Because all the companies I worked at, I day traded. Always loved the day trading. That's why you're all here tonight. I have 20 years trading experience. I started the day trade room Mojo when there were 3 to 4 rooms out there. I did my own thing because I thought the rooms didn't serve the purpose of the trader, but served the purpose of themselves. So I started the Mojo Day Trade rooms because rather than trading by myself and making $1,000 a day, my system is mass, meaning I could do the same hand and have a table because I'm a poker background. So usually at the poker table, there's only 52 cards. There's one winner. At my poker table in the Mojo room, everybody wins the same pot size. Whereas in poker, there's only one winner of that pot. So I don't need to be like, why is Mike doing this? I can have 100 people at my table. And besides me winning $1,000, we all have pocket aces and we all win $1,000 because we're all being able to trade a stock and a system that produces that result where everyone can share in, not just the moderator, not just the guy giving out the pick, not just the select few that he spoke to before the pick went out, and now a big majority of the room isn't making money and a big majority of the room is. You can't have that because as I was explaining to the missus tonight, I did a poll. Let me go to my Twitter. Let me show you my Twitter right here. So I did a poll on Twitter right here, okay? And it was about time value, rule value, pick value, and buying power value. What's the most important thing? I want to see what you guys pick for an answer. Everyone has their own opinion. So let me go to it. It's right. Day traders hate green markets, tough to make money. Mojo does so much better in a red market. How about you? I trade red markets a lot better. Green markets usually just open up big and people take profits, goes back up a little, and they just tend to go. Things that are down, when they dip further, everyone loves them and they're easy to trade up big, so I like that kind of move. So let me show you right here. And this goes for a lot of you new guys. Let me find it. Here it is. Day trader poll. What's most valuable to you? Let's do, this is A, B, C, or D. Let's take a poll in the room now, and we'll see what you guys put, okay? I'm gonna do a poll, so just wait a second. So this is called the Twitter poll. Let's go A, B, C, and D. See what you guys pick. The people that know it, and I've already told it to, I would appreciate if you didn't put the answer in, be a show off and show everybody, hey, look, I know the answer. You know I don't like that. Everybody else, what do you think it is? What's the most valuable to you? Your good pick value, your buying power value, your time value, or your rule value? Okay? And I'm gonna see if my pro traders, any of the people I know, and what all the people are putting. Because I have a lot of my traders in here, okay? I would appreciate if none of my traders participated in the poll. Undo your answer, please. All of my pro traders that are in the room now, undo your answer. Thank you. You're not allowed to participate. Trader Poppy, undo your answer. Barrow Alex, undo your answer. Jack, undo your answer. Thank you. That's not fair. This is a webinar for other people, not to be, I don't want you guys participating in any of the polls anymore. Thank you. So this is what the people put. Again, I would appreciate Pro Trader Jack, if you can undo your poll. I'm going to stop the poll. Let's close the poll. I'm going to redo the poll again. I would ask that none of the pro traders that are in the room right now, please do not take the poll. Thank you. No problem. Let's redo it again. So we'll call this the Twitter poll. And we'll go A, B, C, and D. None of the pro traders, again, or anybody that's in my room, put the answer down. So let that poll keep going. And as it's going, I'll tell you a little bit about the MOJO Day Trade Room, that it started in 2012, and so did the swing. And I launched MOJO University, my online interactive course that I teach everybody at night. And I have over 2,000 subscribers on YouTube and 1 million total views and 100,000 social media and Twitter followers. Okay. It's hard for me to follow the responses back and forth between the video, but I'm going to try to. The MOJO Day Trading Challenge is the best. So let's see the responses to the action right here. So we have 7 people. The answer is C. The answer is C. 6 people put A, 2 people put B. So 6 people thought stock picking power, a good pick was the important. It's not. Anybody can give you a good pick. Buying power is not important because MOJO teaches traders about the management of your account and how to grow it properly to trade full-time for a living, and it's not based on buying power. And I'm not giving you the secrets of it tonight. I'm just telling you it's not based on that. It's not based on rules, okay? This is what the missus thought. She said, hey, if you don't have the rules, you're not gonna make money, you're gonna blow up. But you have to have a system. You have to have a system to have rules to be based on. So the system comes first before the rule. The most important thing and this is for a smaller trader more importantly, and it's cool, I'm doing this on Periscope. I've seen all the responses. You're able to block people on Periscope. So the people that would make a bad response like they would in the room would be blocked from my room and not be able to come back. And the people that would make a bad response on Periscope would be blocked and wouldn't be able to see any more of my videos either. So good for all of you. So time value is the most important. 2 types of traders, A and B. The majority of our traders I'm talking about are small. The bigger trader, if he loses $500 for the day, big freaking deal. He doesn't care. He averages a couple of G's, or even if he lost big, 1,000 or 2, what he makes every day, his account's $500,000. So he goes to 497,000, big deal. This guy's account is $4,000. He loses 500, it's devastating to him. It really is, because it's going to take him 2 days to make that back, maybe even 3. That's a week worth of trading if you have one losing day. It's fact. Then you've got 3 trading weeks to go to pay all your bills. The pressure is so bad on you, you may lose again. And you lose 2 days for the month, you can't be a day trader. So time value and what you do with your time and how you make your money in that time is the most important thing. Okay? So we don't hear you. How's my connection coming in? Test, test. Yeah, I got the mic on good. It's fine here. Looks good to me. Everything's good to me too. Good to me. You got to refresh the room. What you do is you go right here in the corner and you go reload the webinar in your browser. You go right here, reload the webinar in your browser. Okay. Let me resize this up again. Hold on one second. Okay. Let me bring back the room. So that's nice. Now let's talk about the day trading challenge. So I have over 50 traders right now on the TradeX platform. It's a platform very similar to the Dosh Trader platform right here that I trade on. I trade up. This is for my larger account, and the TradeX platform, very similar right here. Let me open that up as well. And I'll show you how it looks exactly compared to this one. And I have 50 people loaded up with $30,000 in buying power. Max shares set. Max loss for the day set. And you show me what you can do with 30 grand in buying power every day. Plenty of dollarinos to make money. A couple $100, that's all you need. And you're set to go. So I can't log into the TradeX platform right now because the servers are down. So it's fine. You've seen me do that many times. So anybody looking to get into day trading, this is perfect for you. Nobody is familiar that lack of knowledge. Why 9 out of 10 day traders fail? Because the firms and the rooms trade against you. Huge conflict of interest. It's the #1 reason day traders fail. Were you familiar with that? Who is not familiar with what I'm talking about? Needs clarification. Who needs clarification on #1? Who needs clarification on #1? You do? Who else? 3 people ain't enough. You understand that, Adam? Great. So what are you doing here then? Just kidding. 4 people? 5? All right. You can go to a company called shorttrader.com. And everybody's heard of Short Trader. You can open up an account for $500. And they all do this. Go to their frequently asked questions. And right here, So here is your account. Here is short trader's account. And here is the stock market. C. So this is you. This is short trader. And this is the Dow, the market. Okay? So client A, you right here, place an order. Let me put these boxes in here so everyone can see them. 1, 2, 3. So this is you. This is short trader, and that's the market. That's you, short trader. That's the market. So client A, you places an order to buy 1,000 shares of the stock at $7.45. The short trader system will check its inventory. Let me look and see how many shares of that I have in there. And then I'll just give it to you right out of my inventory. So your order never makes it to the market to see if they're long. If SAS is long, if that order will be filled from the SAS inventory at $7.45, or maybe they own it at $7.25. They've been buying it, and let's say they own it at an average. They've been buying it all morning. Their average in their inventory is $7.25. You just did a limit order for $7.45. They just made, on 1,000 shares, they just made $250 by delivering the stock to you out of their inventory. And if their inventory account has 1,000 shares or none, if client A's order will fill inventory account, and if they can't completely fill, short trader will check if there's other clients out here that have an order that they could fill you with. Okay? If client A's order still remains unfilled, the order may be filled principal by the inventory account short. So what they're going to do is, if you want to go long, let's say 1,000 right here. So let me just do this. Check this out. So you're long 1,000. I'm going to put in an order for 1,000. Short trader right here, before it even gets to the market here, is going to short 3,000 against you. Let's bang him down. Boom. He's got a stop loss in. We'll take his stop. We'll cover on his stop. Bring it right back up. He just lost. Short trader just did that. Ooh, huge conflict of interest. If client order, SAS can trade riskless principal, which means they'll buy the shares in its inventory account, then sell them to the client in order to fill the rest of the order. So this is up top. You have to go all the way to the bottom, right down here. And it says, look, okay, right here. How the hell did they do this? Look, all the way on the bottom, all the way, all the way. Last one right here. Here it is. You could trade a $500 account. All transactions are executed against Swiss America Short Trader in principle, and we make money trading as your counterparty. You should consider this a conflict of interest before placing trades. So if you've ever lost, your orders never make it to the market. Short Trader hasn't posted something on Twitter in 5 months. Okay, so who's trading with Short Trader? Or Trade Zero, or Concentric, or there you go. There you go. There you go. See? Did you, Poppy, did you lose in 2014 all your money? You blew up. Yeah. There you go. So there you go. So people don't know that, and I developed a partner that doesn't trade against you and enables the smaller trader to get the leverage of the 6-to-1 and do the thing that they do. Okay? So let's go back to this. And we nailed up number 1, how the firms trade against you. Then when I started, there were 3 rooms. Now there's 300. And a lot of the room moderators, there's more than 1 moderator. Each moderator has to make a living, make $2,000 to $3,000 a day, grow their account, and they do that at the expense of the room. If I wanted to, I could go take the small cap thin stocks that go big every single day, and you know the names of them, SPU, OPTT, BGI, okay? These ones that move unbelievable in the beginning of the day, leave you risking a lot and bag holding. You know who they are, what they are, and what I'm talking about. Where not 100% of the room makes money every day. Let's look at my poll from 7/12. Lost money for real? None. This is just on my desktop. Then we got 7/11. Lost money for real? None. Yeah, everybody makes money in my room, folks. 100 to 5, 5 to 1. This made money in the demo. Lost money in the demo is perfectly fine because that's what you're supposed to do in the first month. So I could teach you. You're supposed to drown a couple of times. Okay? So all during the week, last week, and the week before, and the week before, and the week before, Mojo has consistently, let me just show you some polls. So you have right here, just go through a couple of them. I'll just go through my thing here. Look, lost money, none. 7/5, lost money, none. 7/7, lost money, none. 7/1, lost money, none. 6/30, lost money, none. Look at these, everyone. Lost in this column you're looking, I do this every day. Okay? Here's 6/28, lost money, 4. 6/27, lost money, none. 6/24, lost money. Someone did 6%. 6/23, lost money, none. So I can go through this day by day by day by day. There's a trader in the room, Pro Trader Allen, that hasn't lost one day since November of 2014. So people make money and win in the room. If I wanted to, I would give out the stock pick and give it out and the whole room would buy it. I would make money. I would close the room down at 10:30 and 11, and whatever happened to the people in the room happened to the people in the room. It's a quantity thing for most, it's a quality thing for me. And that's what I did. So number one is the most important. Everything else you'll learn with me during the challenge. How the market makers fake you out, how to manage your buying power, how to manage your share size, how to scale in and scale out, how to develop the real system, how to journal, how to record daily, how to handle the bad situations, and how to lack of knowledge and how to get stop out from blowing your account. If you've answered yes to any of these situations, you need to come, as the tuition costs of day trading are brutal, folks. Okay, your first step is to make money with the MOJO Day Trading Challenge. Reach your profit targets, have your performance evaluated, trade your own account live. That's how it works. A lifeguard for you. All you got to do is join. You click here, you come to this page, and all you got to do is click PayPal. Boom. $100. Take you right to the page. Bam. That's not up. You ain't doing too. See, I checked it out. Look, I checked it out. Hold on. Don't do that one. Click this one. Hold on. It's let's set at 200. Hold on. See, I'm giving you 100 off. Let's go lower. I got to change it. See, let me change it now. Hold on. Lucky I don't get in touch with the webmaster, huh? Because I am the webmaster. So just give me 30. Let's count to 30. Take a sip of your coffee, and I'll change the link to $100. So for $100, I give you the day trade room free for a month. It's worth 100, and I give you the video. That's worth 100, and the challenge is worth more. So it's $99. It's $99. Let me just get into the site right here, and then we'll refresh it. So, do I mind showing throwing short trader under the bus? Absolutely not. I blew up 3 accounts there over my time. So it's taken me realized time to figure out what they're doing, and screw them. They screwed me. So now I found a firm that looks out for the trader, makes money as they should, not as a chaza, but the right way. And that's the way it should be. So let me go in here and change this link. Done. Any image you click on will take you to the right PayPal page. Now, hopefully, let's see if it works. 1, 2, 3, refresh. Click here. Should say $100. And it does, $99. There you go. So $99, folks. $99. Let me just make sure I got this set. Hold on. Webinar. Now I'm going to have it on this page too, on the Join Now buttons. Let me just change this one too. I got to do the swing trade newsletter tonight also. So let's get moving on this baby. Let's get into the nitty gritty. Done. So everything's updated. Webinar. All these buttons are updated. Okay. So I promise you guys, all this I'll conquer with you all. I'll lifeguard for you. Okay. And the trade station setup. So this is how you set your business up. And first part of your business is your plan. You need the right equipment. So right equipment wise, this is what you need to day trade. You need 2 monitors. Monitors are a dime a dozen now. I have 2 monitors, and you either get a laptop with the Windows, because all the things are Windows based now, and or the desktop. And you take this cord, you stick it in the back of here, you stick it in there, you take this one, stick it in the back, you stick it in here, you take this one, stick it in there, and take this one, stick it in there. You push the button to power it up, and everything works miraculously. You don't have to do anything. It's unbelievable. And you can maneuver between both screens. So I have the day trade room and a browser up, and this whole entire monitor is my Dosh Trader platform. That's how I do it. Okay? And what I was showing everybody before is the 2 accounts that I trade right here. So I have started the Trade X right here. This is how I do it. I start with the 2 Gs right here. I made in the first week 73%. I drove it to 3,463 right there. And then the next day, I drove it to 708. I drove it to 4171 off 2 Gs. It's over 100%. You take out 2,000. You restart at 2171. I'm at 2399. I drive it back this week to $4 grand. Take out another 2, and I do that every week off the little account. And that $2,000, 2222, is $8,000 a month, and the account's only 2 Gs. Okay, that's off that account. And then this is my plan this week for my other account, and I have a plan of how I'm growing that one too, just like this. I'm going to go 27, 5, 30, 33, 36, 39, and 40. I cashed out. I started at 25. I went up, cashed out like I'm going to do here after I reach 40 again. Start at 27.5. So I have a little push down to 25. and grow it up to 40, and then take out that 12,500 for the week. So 12,000 and 8,000 for the month right there. And that's exactly how you do it. So 12,000 times 4 is around $40,000 on the larger, and 8,000 on the smaller comes to around $30,000 to $40,000 a month trading the two accounts. And that could be a full-time living for anybody. And I'll show you exactly how to do that trading on the MOJO team. The firm we do it with on the small side for you guys is Pioneer Trading Group. Okay, everything is set up on a per share basis. So I've got it set up for 100 shares plus 55 cents. You press the button 10 times, it's going to cost $5.50 to buy 1,000 shares. From day 1 to day 20, you're going to make $3,000. From day 21 to day 40, you make 5,000. The potential's there. People do it. Am I saying you are guaranteed to do it? Absolutely not. Can you do it? For shit and sure. That's why we're talking tonight, folks. Absolutely. Okay? It's not a promise.
That's a firm maybe.
Okay?
Maybe. M-A-Y-B-E. Let's go with maybe.
There you go. Day 41 to 60, make $7,000. Beautiful. You're all in business. The people that didn't,
Sorry.
too bad. 15,000 60-day plan with the MOJO. Let me show you how it's done. You're going to start trading the first day you're live, and in your demo, you're going to make $100 trading 1,000 shares, trying to get that 10-cent scalp, and you're done. Okay? Do that. Okay? $100, $100, $100, $100, $100, $100, $100, 100, 100, 100. Guess what? Day 11, make 200. You can increase it to 1,500 shares. I wouldn't even recommend 2,000. After 20 days, you made $3,000. Everyone follow? Everyone follow? Day 1 to 20, day 1 to 10. Right here, a G, then 2 Gs. So you got a G and 2 Gs. Done. Now we go day 21, same system, 200 a day, nothing different, nothing different, nothing different. That's your goal. That's your goal. And then you go from day 31 to 40, we kick it up $100. This I would recommend still staying at 1,500. This I recommend going to 2,000, straight down the board. Same scalp, obviously, and you've just made $5,000. Beautiful. Now we go into the next month, same exact thing. I would recommend staying at 2,000 shares, making 300 a day. This you could bring up to 3,000 shares, straight down the board, 400 a day, 7,100. You have done it completely, and you are rock solid. $15,000 on a 60-day plan, and you start with 2 Gs minimum. That's the minimum. Join the challenge now. Let me show you some of the mistakes some of the people are making. Let me see if it goes to the 100. Nice, $100. Okay, here's what traders do, and you make mistakes. So what I've done is, over the years, I've made my predominant mistakes, and everyone's got their rules, and I'm so bad at it that I have sticky notes don't work. So does anyone fall into this trap that you make money and then you keep on trading and you blow up and you lose it all? So I had to make a mouse pad that says no pre-market, and once you hit your goal, you're done for the day. You shut it off. Okay, so hold on a second. So no pre-market, and once you're done for the day, you shut it off. Okay, that's my mouse pad. Okay, I've journaled it hundreds of times. My other rule and mistake that traders should do is trading pre-market, ruining the initial wave. How many traders have done this? Like symbol X, Y, whatever the symbol is, it doesn't matter. You're trading it pre-market, you buy it at 820, the stock opens up at 780 to a low of 730, and it never even traded at 820 where you own it, and now it's in a zone here and you're waiting like UVXY over 7. God, man, will that thing go over 7? Let's do it on that example. UVXY. Everyone owns it over 7 at 711, 756. That's where I owned it in my swing. Then it went under 7, and the markets kept going higher. Everyone owns it up there. It printed pre-market, so I'm like, oh, this is nice. I'm going to go 680. The stock opened like 650 to 630. I own it pre-market at 680. It doesn't even trade there. I'm like, damn, man. Ruined my entire day by thinking I can get a better price pre-market, and/or I was going to miss something. Like I was going to miss something and not be able to get that price when the market opened. That happened to any of you? It's one of the biggest ruiners of the entire day. You can't trade. You're frozen all day, and you own the stock higher than it ever was. Anybody do that? Anybody? That happened to any of you all? Yeah, I think so. A little bit. Sometimes you think you're going to miss something, so you go like this. Oh my gosh, the stock's moving. 1,000 shares. It goes up 2 cents and down 22, and it sucks you out on a stop loss because you put a 20-cent stop loss in from the 2 up here. And you're like, holy shit, what just happened? That happened to y'all? Instead of saying, maybe I'll buy 100 shares, I'll see which way it goes, up or down. So if it goes lower, I can buy some more and get a good cost. And if it goes higher, then I can buy more and make a profit. Poor scaling, thinking you're going to miss something. Bad share sizing. This is how I know all this, folks, from the Pro Trader Journal and what I teach my traders to do. Who wants to learn about level 2? Who wants to learn about level 2? You do? You want to learn? You want to learn level 2? Yeah? Nice. We'll do that. You can learn level 2. Let me show you this trade I did on the 15th. When was that? Thursday, right? Friday? Wasn't that Friday, guys? Wasn't that Friday? The depth of the level 2 with the indicators of the size of shares being asked and the bid and ask makes me better entry and exit decisions, which are essential for a good day trader. I use the Dosh Trader Pro and the TradeX platform, which gives me access to that level 2. Level 2 montage is old school. All the traders have always said, dude, are you kidding me? Level 2's for losers. Well, if level 2's the category for winning on 95% of my trades, then I'm really good with the label. Now everybody wants to teach you level 2. Why? Because they've learned it from me, folks. See, the level 2 gives me an in-depth view of the demand before the stock goes up, making the bars on the charts where everyone else is coming in. I'm able to see the institutional size, which way the stock is heading before it goes. I do not want one pro trader answering this question. Okay? Not one. This was nugget right here. Okay? None of my traders are allowed to answer this question in the poll. Take a look at nugget in the level 2. Who's going to participate in this? How many of you in here want to participate in this level 2 demonstration? Adam, Gerardo, you've taken Mojo U before, Gerardo, I think. Pass, Gerardo. Okay. Guys, you ready? Trader Duncan, you're not allowed to do this. Pass. Tico Niles, you're not allowed to do this. Tico Niles, you are not allowed to do this. If I see you answer the poll, I will forever ban you from the room. Forever. Okay? You've been around too many times. You'll ruin the poll. Don't answer it. Thank you. Here's the poll. You ready? Look at this level 2. And the next one. Would you buy it, not buy it, or short it? Buy it, not buy it, or short it are the answers. I haven't even given you the look of it yet. Holy shit. I gotta see who that is. So we're in trouble here now. I haven't even given the level 2, and this person already put the answer. So we're in trouble with this person. Hold on a second. Read that. I knew someone would freaking fuck it up. Bob, you're done. Bob, you can explain to me what you've done. I didn't show you the level 2. I didn't show you anything or do anything. You just put the answer down. Emmanuel Hawk, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's disruptive. Okay. Let me say another thing. Okay. Let me say another thing. I teach a lot. I teach. It doesn't matter what you thought. You thought wrong. Okay. Let me explain something to you. Let me explain something to you. Okay. I teach a lot of people online. One thing that are my pet peeves, one of them are show-offs. Think about it this way, Bob. You're a really smart guy. You know the answer. So boom, you're going to put that sucker right up there real fast. Watch, everybody. Now the people that may not know it will look up and say, oh, look at all those answers on the orange one. Fuck it. I'll just put the orange one. I'll go with the crowd. The people who put it first must be right. So rather than showing off, what I do is I ask my students that know it to hesitate to the end. Let the whole room go in. Then at the end, put your answer in if you feel it's necessary. That's a true learning environment, which I want to pursue. Okay? So again, Bob, don't take the poll. Let everyone else take it so we can learn something. Let me show you the level 2 again, the 2, and then you can do the poll and make your decision. You ready? Let me do the poll again. Here we go. Look at this. Let me reset this. Level 2, nugget. I'm going to show you 2 of them. I haven't showed them to you yet. Would you buy long? Would you no buy, pass, or would you short it? Those are the responses to this. Oh my freaking God. I'm done. I said I'm done. These people are done. So I'm going to kick these 2 people out of the room, and then we can do the poll for everyone else. So we're going to kick out Jeff. I'm kicking you. You're all got. I haven't shown it yet. You're ruining the poll. You people are doing it on purpose. So I'm going to kick you out. So you can't do it anymore. So I'm kicking you out. Kicking you out. I'm kicking you out. And I'm kicking you out. I don't care what your names are. If there's a response next to your name, I just kicked you out. Okay? So we'll try it one more time, and then I'm done doing polls, and I'm really going to wrap up the webinar because disruptive people that won't let me teach. You're confused. Okay, again, I'm going to show 2 slides of the level 2. Once I show the 2 slides, then go in after looking and make a decision on what you would do action-wise in the market after seeing 2 shots of a level 2. Okay? If you're confused, don't do it. You won't be a good trader anyway. Nugget level 2. This is a tough game, folks. I am Newt Rockney from Notre Dame. Okay? Dude, I ain't going to say tie your shoe coming in. I'm going to say get the hell in the locker room and give me 50 around the track, because you should have came out here and checked your equipment with your shoes tied before you stepped on my damn field, young man. Now split. Whereas the regular coach would say, hey, can you tie your shoe? You're going to get hurt. My traders all make money because I'm tough with them. Nugget level 2. I'm going to show you 2 slides. 2 slides. The first one you look at, the second one you look at, then make a decision what you would want to do. Would you buy the stock long? Would you pass on it? Or would you short it? And this is the last time I'm doing a poll for the night, because there's going to be a couple more. So this is it, folks. You ready? Here it is. So the stock is 8:22 in the morning. It's 160 by 160.01. There's 4,500 shares right here on the bid. The stock is virtually even. It's down only 9 cents. It's been a low of 157. It's going at 160.60 for the high. And right here is the bid, where it's good for people that want to buy the stock. And here's the ask right here on the right. This is good for 200, 100 shares, 100 shares, and 100 shares. That's the first look. All of a sudden at 8:22.47 goes like this. The bid becomes 160.01. The ask becomes 160. The stock's made a run like that. And that's the 2 that I want you to look at. Okay? What are you going to do? Hold on a second. Poll nugget. You're long buy. You're passing. Or you're shorting that sucker. What are you doing? Shit. Funny. What are you doing? One person's buying it. All right, we're gonna end. One person. We can end for tonight. Really? One person? Okay. Yeah. Nugget. Multiple choice. Buy. Pass. Short. Why are you buying it? Why are you passing? 3 people, why are you shorting? I want the answers before I give them to you. I'm very curious. Andy, why are you shorting it? Adam, why are you buying it? Jeffrey, why are you passing? Joey, why are you shorting it? Sharon, why are you shorting it? MD Emmanuel, why are you passing? Tell me why. Let's see what they put. Too close on the spread. Jeffrey. Not sure. Ask when higher. Let's see what he says here. Hold on. So we have Andy's going to short it because the bid size is too large. Joey is going to short it because he didn't see anything. Oh, yes, the ask went high. So the ask went high. He's going to short it. Jeffrey is going to pass because it's a best guess. So that's why he's here, so he can learn. MD Emmanuel is going to pass because, or short it. Adam is going to buy it because the ask went higher. So it's pretty even. Pretty even. How many shares would you buy? Right here. Or short, or how you passing is nothing, but how many shares would you buy? How many shares would you short? 100? 50? One shot, just like that. Goes higher, you win. Goes lower, you lose. That's how you do it. Well, I just want to tell you one thing. This was one of my best reads. It happened on Friday at 8:22 in the morning. All of a sudden, Nugget freaking was climbing in your face. And I don't care what you all say, you ain't bullshitting the bullshitter. Okay?
Yeah, baby.
You ain't bullshitting the bullshitter. Let's do the poll again in a second. Stock looks at your ass at 157, goes 158. You're like, should I touch it at 158? 57.50, then it goes 58, then it goes 59, 59.50, 159, 159, 160. You mean to freaking tell me Nugget going from red to green, you ain't buying the pants off of it? You're fooling yourself. You better believe 999 day traders that come to the scene are buying the stock long. The only one that didn't made a mistake. Here's what happens. And I don't care what you say, because this is what really happened. You said, holy crapamola. If I buy, man, we know how much Nugget goes up, 10 points. So if I buy, let's say 500 shares, 100 shares, doesn't make a difference. Let's buy it right here. Because if it goes up, look at the next 22, 39. This thing's going to, and it just came up from 157, 3 points. I watched it. I could have been up 300. I'm going to buy 100 shares. I'm going to sell it at like 170. I'm going to make a creaming $1,000, baby. If I'm wrong, you see that 4,500 shares? I'm going to sell it to him, or my measly 100 to him, in a split heart second. I'll lose $1, a penny. Is that what every single person says on Wall Street? Yes or no? Yes or no? What do you mean you don't know? Think again. You can't be a trader, Joey. You have no idea what you can't. I'm not, for that bit of a beginner, you don't even know what an ask is. For you to answer that, Joey, you don't even know what an ask is, and you can't buy 50 shares. Okay? Bob, what aren't you sure about? You were the first person to answer the nugget poll when I put it before that you were shorting it with the orange. That's why I moved it over. So what do you mean? You're not sure. How can you be sure all of a sudden and not sure right now? Chris Smith, that's correct. $1,000 on the upside, $1 on the downside. Because you thought it would go down. Why'd you think it was going to go down? Why is it going? Why'd you think it was going to go down? Give me the answer, Bob. Bob, do you know that I'm Henrik Stenson? You can't beat me. Incorrect. Because of the spread on the bid and the ask, you thought it was going to go down. You're wrong. Actually, the larger the spread on an upswing, the more bullish it is. So you doing that instills the mojo-ness that 9 out of 10 of you guys lose. That is correct. That is why you lose money. That is correct. I have 10,000 trying to do this over the last 6 months. That's why I'm here. Going up, then boom, fella. Everybody does that. Because you do this. Here's what you do. You say, man, Nuggets going up. It really continues. And I just bought 1601, and now look at me. Look at me. It did one trade here. One. It bought 100 shares, but it wasn't you. Don't you remember the big bid right here? This is a bearish signal on the level 2. If you recognize this, you would short the stock or never, ever, ever buy it. Watch what happens from 822.47 to you just bought 39,000 shares. You ready? Watch. Now it's 820.12. Okay? Nugget just went under 160 to 159.82. It traded 3,000 shares from 39 to 42. And you say to yourself, no big deal. I'll hold. I'm not down that much. All of a sudden, you see the signal in the level 2? It's right here. It's big on the bid. It's going right on the 159.56. Look at the time. Boom. 8:31. Look at the drop. It went from 159 in 7 minutes, 8 minutes. Now it's at 157. You own it at 160.01. Watch what happens now. Boom. Now it went boom, 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 boom. See this firm up bar? 156 with the 24 and the spread up here. Now it's only traded 68,000. Look at that action. So knowing what to do with the level 2 enabled me to short the stock or go long JDST, its counterpart, which I did, or dust. and make a huge score early in the MOJO Day Trade room. And that's exactly how it happened. Anybody have any questions about that? Anybody have any questions? No? Listen, great. Listen, Mark, why don't you contact me tomorrow? I'll give you a personal one-on-one lesson on the Heinz trade play and what I'm going to do for the rest of the webinar. And me and you will chill and hang out. How about that? I'll teach you about the level 2. I'll do everything. How about that? You want to do that, partner? Me and you? Because you like people that don't, my pet peeve is people that don't participate. What are you doing here? You got to work? Bye. See ya. Dude, what are you talking about? Bye. What about the rest of you? Listen, I told you how you could join. You trade a snook? No. You're a trade a snook in my room? And you've been giving me crap the whole time? Yeah? Thanks, Mark. Thanks, dude. Told people in my room not to answer tonight. You couldn't click on what links? You haven't answered? Yeah. Have you been back and forth the whole time? I didn't think you were in my room. Doesn't make a difference. DGF, dude. I don't give a shit. DGF, brother. DGF, man. DGF. Dude, you know why Phil messed up? Because he kept on fist pumping and getting up real high with his emotions. Then 2 holes later, he screwed up the par 3 because he had no energy left from his mind. Can't get too high on winning trades. Can't get too low on losing trades. Can't get buzzed up on people screwing around in the room. Can't get buzzed down on people screwing around in the room. Can't get buzzed up on doing a good trade. Can't get buzzed down on doing a bad trade. Even keel, chemo the whole time, baby. That's the mojo. Can't get riled. Can't get on tilt. That's it. So listen, everybody, I don't need to teach you anything else. What I wanted to teach you was level 2 and the Heinz trade play and stuff, but let's just end the webinar tonight because the main thing is really you joining and getting on the demo, getting the simulated account going, joining in the Mojo room with me tomorrow morning for free because you did that, and trading with me. I'm basically paying you to join. And if you do, I'll give you a special little session one-on-one on the Heinz trade play. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the webinar tonight. I don't have to give you the best of the best. Every time I talk about the Heinz, people just, you can make money on it in the room. Well, that's it. You're interested, great. Come join. Pro Trader Mike signing off for the webinar right now. Here's the site, mojodaytrading.com. The offer is good for tonight only. I'm taking it down when I go to bed. And it's right here. It's bing, bing, bing. Where is it? Right here. For the webinar. So it's on the site right now. It's webinar right here. You know, if you can't find it on my website, don't even bother. You can't join. You won't be a good day trader if you can't navigate around the internet and find buttons and press and do that. So forget about it. If you really have trouble and you can't do it that way and you're really desperate, send me an email and say, Mike, I can't find out how to join on your website from the webinar, but I'm still interested in joining. You're going to have to spend extra time with me and patience because I'm new, so I can identify you and make you a winner. That's what I do. The guys that need it, I don't give it to you. You're on your own. You don't need me. You just need my guidance. The guys that really do need it, those are the guys that I help, and those are the guys that I spend the extra time with, because those are the guys that really need it. Certain people come, they play golf with me, they got game, they got form, they got posture, they know how to hit the ball. I give them a little tip here and there, I give them a little tweak, adjust your this, adjust your that, but the other guy who's completely malfunctional, who can't even swing and just shanks him, you gotta tenderly care and spend extra time with. And that's what I do as a mentor and coach in my day trading room. So Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable. I'm super stoked and excited. It doesn't, Jeff. Refresh your page. Close your browser. Refresh it, and you're all good to go. I'll give you the link here. Copy and paste the whole link. We'll click on it right there. 99 bucks, brother. Peace, everybody. Pro Trader Mike signing off, showing everyone how to make money in the stock market, rules, money management, level 2, what the hell's a chart. That's it. You won't get front run. You might get thrown under the bus and hard knocked by me, but only if I do that. I like you and I want you to succeed, and don't take it the wrong way. That's what a good coach does. And come to my room and make money. Look, MOJO Day Trading. MOJO Day Trading. I got the wrong suits. I'm back. MOJO. Champion. There you go. Peace.